What's up guys? We're here in Malaga, and in this video, we're going to show you our top things to do in and around the city. So hope you enjoy it. Malaga is the capital of Spain's Costa del Sol, sitting on the southern Mediterranean coast. Sunseekers flock to the city's golden beaches and high-rise hotels, but Malaga offers more than just relaxation. Soak up the vibrant atmosphere in the Old Town, savor delicious local food, and discover the rich history here. In this video, we highlight 10 of the best things to do in and around Malaga. Make sure to watch until the end, because we'll also share a few day trip options that you can do from the city. Now let's dive in. We are Zach and Ina. We make helpful videos about destinations around the world so you can easily plan your own adventures. Malaga Cathedral, nicknamed La Manquita, dominates the historic center. Construction began in the 16th century and continued for over 200 years, resulting in a fascinating blend of Renaissance and Baroque styles. But its most striking feature is its incompleteness. The South Tower remains unfinished, giving it a distinctive silhouette and its nickname. Inside, you can admire the richly decorated ceiling, the beautiful stained glass windows, the chapels, and the organ. To the north of Malaga, you can find La Concepcion Historical Botanical Gardens. Founded in the 1850s, this is one of Europe's best preserved subtropical gardens, featuring a variety of cacti, palm trees, and other exotic plants. Stroll around its winding paths, ponds, and historical buildings, or catch a view over the city from one of the viewpoints. These gardens are a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle. Malaga was Pablo Picasso's birthplace, and there are actually 2 museums in the city dedicated to him. We visited the Picasso Museum, which is housed in a beautiful 16th century palace and boasts over 200 works by the artistic legend. Explore works from his various periods, from his early paintings to Cubist masterpieces. But if art doesn't interest you, there are also lots of other museums in Malaga, and we've included a short list on the screen here in case you're interested in visiting those. Sitting on a hilltop, Gibralfaro Castle towers above Malaga. Built in the 14th century, it served as a watchtower and defense for the nearby Alcazaba Palace, which we'll talk more about shortly. Today, you can explore a small museum at the castle, as well as its well-preserved walls, towers, and ramparts. But the true star is the panorama. From the castle, Malaga unfolds beneath you, with the sparkling Mediterranean Sea stretching towards the horizon. You can easily reach the castle on foot via a path next to the Alcazaba.
On the way up or down from the castle, there's actually another really beautiful viewpoint, and it's for free.
Buried for centuries, Malaga's Roman theater was rediscovered in 1951 at the foot of the Alcazaba fortress. Dating back to the 1st century, it's a testament to the city's Roman past. Unlike many ruins, Malaga's theater is remarkably well preserved, with tiers of seating rising from the hillside, an orchestra pit, and a raised stage. At the time of our visit, the entrance to this historic site was free. As a seaside city, Malaga boasts a beautiful coastline full of beaches. These urban beaches are conveniently located within the city limits, making them ideal for a quick escape after sightseeing. The most popular one is Playa de la Malagueta, which sits right next to the port in the city center and is sandy with calm waters. But if you're looking for a more local vibe, head to the beaches to the east of Malaga. Malaga's Alcazaba is a fortified palace that sits on a hill in the heart of the city. It was built during the Moorish rule in the 11th century. Today, you can explore its double-layered fortifications, wander through courtyards, and marvel at the intricate Moorish architecture. As the palace is set on a hill, you can expect many stairs. There are also some great panoramic city views from the upper part of the Alcazaba. If you want to know more about the history of the place, you should book a guided tour. We booked a 1.5-hour tour, which also allowed us to skip the long waiting line. You can find a link to the tour we did in the description below the video. The Atarazanas Market is a treasure trove for foodies. Located in a historic building that was once a shipyard, it's now overflowing with fresh local produce. Wander past stalls that are brimming with fish, colorful fruits and vegetables, cured meats, and cheeses. Take in the lively atmosphere and grab a bite. The market is open from Monday to Saturday from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., and it's closed on Sundays. Caminito del Rey is an exciting walkway suspended over a deep gorge. Once known as the world's most dangerous hike, the new walkway reopened in 2015 with safety improvements. The one-way trail has a length of about 8 kilometers or 5 miles, but it's a fairly easy walk as it's mostly downhill on a series of boardwalks and hanging bridges. Along the route, you'll get stunning views of the gorge and surrounding mountains, while learning the story behind the construction of this great work of engineering. To do the hike, you need to buy your tickets well in advance. And while there are limited tickets to do the hike on your own, the majority of tickets are sold as a guided hike. From Malaga, you can book a day trip to the Caminito del Rey, which includes the entry fee, transportation to the trail and back to Malaga, as well as a guide. Malaga's historic center is a blend of architectural beauty and cultural charm. Wander its narrow alleys, lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops. You can also take in views of the most important monuments of the city, such as the cathedral, the Roman theater, the Alcazaba, and the Plaza de la Concepcion. Stroll along Calle Larios, the main shopping street brimming with trendy stores and alfresco cafes. Or have some tapas at one of the many tapas bars scattered around the town. The best way to get acquainted with the history and culture of Malaga is by going on a free walking tour. We left a link in the description below the video to the one that we joined. While Malaga will easily keep you busy for a few days, it's also worth exploring some of the amazing places nearby, and we added links to a few great day trips in the description below the video. Our favorite places near the city include Granada with its almighty Alhambra Palace, the beautiful coastal town of Nerja with its immense caves, the small picturesque town of Frigiliana, which is just outside of Nerja, the fascinating British overseas territory of Gibraltar, and the unique cliffside towns of Ronda and Setenil de las Bodegas. If you're going to more destinations in Andalusia, make sure to check out our video about the top places to visit in this enchanting region of Spain. And if you're planning your Spain trip, we recommend keeping things organized with our interactive travel planner. Find a discount code in the description below the video. We also included other important links in the description that will help you with your Malaga experience, such as an interactive map so you can get to each place that we mentioned. We'll catch you on the next adventure.